Internet research. If you're a business professional or you are a private person, a student, a teacher, it doesn't matter. We all have to go to the internet. Everything is evolved around the internet. We find all the information. So we created a tab which is helping us with streamlining our search and finding these things back. Over a time, you may encounter many hyperlinks you may want to remember. So this is kind of a replacement for your favorites as well. It also stores all your passwords and security questions, and I will show you how. Let's say you surf the internet and you found a web page you like. You copy and paste. You copy and paste that hyperlink right in here. You put it on a certain category. If you don't like this category, you just choose any category. Let's say software provider. If it doesn't identify it in this list, you just accept the pop-up menu and then you can add another category to it. Let's say software provider. I misspelled a little bit, wanted to have it a capital P. And then I'm gonna choose my software provider. I put a keyword in there if I need to. In this case I don't. Well, I do. It's RCsoft in this case. And then password I don't need to. But if I wanted to, I can choose from a list of passwords I have used already. Notice there's my password. I could choose it again. So I can keep the same password in there if I like. The same with your account numbers. If you want to choose certain account numbers, if you don't have them, just type something in here. Security question. Sometimes they ask the same security questions. Use the same one if you like. So this helps you to store all the important information. If you have to sign up, for example, with this social network, then you can find them back. For example, after a year's time, I had over 300 different hyperlinks. And how do you separate? How do you find them? This search after keywords, notice I have here a few different keywords, helps you to identify. So it's really important and strategic how you handle this. Let's say I do Facebook. Only one has the keyword Facebook in there in this case, so it only will show up one. But if I had put in under keywords also social network, and let's say my other account was also a social network, update. Let's say this were one. It is not, but let's say this were one for just for show and tell. And I go and filter after social, then I find everything under social. Two should pop up, and there they are. You can also, in addition, this is also an add filter, so add this to it and it will make it narrow it down even further. See, it is search the category. You have here these different categories. In this case we have 3 different ones, but you may have many hyperlinks under the same category, and this will help you to really find these things fairly quickly. Okay, let's see if I can only put in software. If it accepts that, then it shows me 2 under the category software provider. So I can actually, in this case, I can do also partials of data strings. You can play around with this a little bit. You can also do use the star button. In another tutorial I will go in depth with that, and you can put, for example, RE in here, and it should show everything which is soft and RE. The star means it doesn't matter, whatever is in between here it will accept it, plus the RE is a must. Soft is a must, RE is a must, and everything, be it a hyphen, a skip a space, or whatever you can imagine, it'll accept that too. And it will show only 2 because we have 2 records like this. So it's not really a great show and tell. But if I do it again and do soft, and we do star RE, then only 2 show up. There they are. You can play a little bit with it. Use this question mark button to further read up on this and learn a little bit about it. You can also export these favorites, which would be your web links, and I just saw it here, and this illustrates how you export these favorites. Now you also may want to make notes, put them under certain categories, and remember that science, Big Bang. My son always likes to say Big Bang Theory. He likes that most. So double click, see it has here a little hook, double click on it, it'll bring you to some details which you can also modify here. We know this from previous tutorials. We can put it on the scheduler if we like. We can put a due by date. We don't want to put it 30, we're going to put 2013, that's good enough. And it will pop up on your scheduler. Let me put the scheduler in the center. This is from other admin related. I need to update, and then it will show me my internet search research thing, what I had there. Double click on it and it will bring me to the Big Bang I just entered. Wonderful, it worked. Notice this is unlimited, so even if you have a trial version of our software, this will be coming unlimited. You don't have to pay for this at all. And also our internet module is for free, as well as our email listing is for free. So whoever downloads this software without obtaining any additional codes can use this for free, limitless. We advise to play around before really go into depth with it, because you want to have a strategic approach so that you can find these things back. Obviously, the more keywords you put in there, the easier you will find it, the faster you will find closely related things to it. And that would be my recommendation. Double click on here and you can actually also see some details to this particular data string. Change them over. If you don't like this category, put them back in here. And now you have a different category. You need to probably F5 it, and then you have a change there later. So this is about our internet research tool. We hope you like it.